Dear viewers, this is the last part of the last video that was about what is literature, why we study literature, and reasons of studying literature. Let's complete our topic. The sixth reason is source of knowledge, and far from ignorance. Literature also plays a role of bridge to get knowledge and keep oneself away from ignorance. When we study literature, we get the knowledge of right and wrong. For example, when we read The Rape of Locke by Alexander Pope, we come to know that the people of Augustan age were indulged in useless activities like men and women were busy in seducing one another. As the poet writes, they shift the toy shop of their hearts. They were also far away from religion as we that. Belinda has mixed the Holy Bible with the beauty products and she doesn't. Remember the religious personalities as she gets up, so it means that the writer satirizes the society in order to eradicate ignorance from them. And in this way, this is a source of knowledge for us. Therefore, we study literature. The last reason of why we study literature is Sweet Spoken Wife, Acharya Prakash, who is a Sanskrit critic, writes that literature is like a sweet spoken wife which scolds or reforms while still loving, so literature always reforms the society. After giving all the reasons of why we study literature, we conclude this discussion that literature is the best subjects which always plays its vital role to reform the society and nation. This is the subject that completes all the important reasons which have been discussed. Therefore, we study literature. Dear watchers, we have completed our topic. Keep watching my channel for more videos.